Hello, Sudokuers. The first thing I have to do now that you're watching is admit something. I am a Sudoku addict. I do it in the car, I do it in front of the telly, on aeroplanes with the kids. I have even been known to do it in the bath, although that did get very foggy, so I wouldn't advise it. Now, you might already be converted. You might be one of us who grunt in response to questions from the family or sit in silence, smiling for hours on end with only a pencil and a puzzle to keep us company. You may have already entered the Sudoku zone. But whether you have or not, I hope that you enjoyed the fresh competitive challenge of this DVD. We've devised it so that for the very first time, we Sudokuers can play directly against each other. I'll explain how it works as we go along. If you're new to Sudoku, then don't worry, I will be taking you through the basics. And if you want some tips, then I've included a few to help you and loads of explanations of how to solve the challenges. Most of all, I want you to enjoy the cut and the thrust or the slice and the dice of Sudoku. All the best.